Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what happens when a star dies? I used to think stars just quietly faded away, but it turns out star deaths are some of the strangest, most dramatic events in the universe. Let's start with a classic, the supernova. When a massive star runs out of fuel, it can't hold itself together anymore. Gravity takes over, squeezing the core until, boom, the star explodes in a massive burst of light and energy. For a few weeks, that one dying star can outshine an entire galaxy. What's left behind? Sometimes a dense neutron star, or if the star was huge enough, a black hole, a point so dense that not even light can escape. But not all stars go out with a bang. Take our own sun, for example. It's too small for a supernova. Instead, in about 5 billion years, it'll swell into a red giant, swallowing Mercury and Venus and maybe even Earth. Eventually, it'll shed its outer layers, drifting off into space like cosmic smoke, leaving behind a white-hot core, a white dwarf. It won't explode, but it'll glow quietly for trillions of years, slowly cooling down. Now here's where things get even stranger. Imagine a white dwarf that's been sitting in the dark for so long it's lost all its heat. This is what astronomers call a black dwarf. Right now, the universe isn't old enough for any black dwarfs to exist, but one day, after countless trillions of years, stars like our sun will fade into cold, dark cinders. Not an explosion, just a silent, cosmic whisper. And if you think that's weird, check this out. There are stars that die by being eaten alive. In crowded star clusters, a giant star can siphon material from a smaller neighbor, eventually causing the smaller one to collapse. Or in rare cases, two white dwarfs might collide, creating a cataclysmic explosion called a kilonova, blasting heavy elements like gold and platinum into space. So next time you see the stars, remember, every point of light is living on borrowed time, and their deaths are as varied and bizarre as anything you can imagine. Some go out in a blaze of glory, some fade gently into the night, and some we're still waiting to see. The universe is full of surprises, and the end of a star is just the beginning of something new. Thanks for joining me on this strange journey through the life and death of stars.